as always, please ask your parents' permission before doing the arts and crafts and have fun. Hey guys, welcome back to this week's video. I'm Stella and this is Stella's Arts and Crafts. In this week's video, I'll be showing you how to do string pulling art. And Miles and Zoe are here, so let's go meet them. Welcome back, Miles and Zoe. So Zoe, tell the fans what we need for this project.
Hi, I'm Zoe and I'm going to be telling you all the things that we need for this project. First, you need your canvases, yarn, paint to put on your surface, and paint to do the actual project with. And then you need gloves, paintbrushes, and something to put under the project so your surface doesn't get messy.
Thank you, Zoe. So Miles, well, how do we get started for this project?
So to get started for this project, we're going to paint a base coat, but we're not going to let it dry. We're going to keep the paint like very wet and then smooth it out evenly. And then once we're done with that, we're going to put a color of your choice across, like a line across it. Then we're going to take this yarn, put the yarn on the paint, and then put more paint on top of it. And then once you've done that around 3 or 4 times with different colors, you take the blunt end of your paintbrush and pull them all the way down, and it should look good. We hope it looks good.
Thank you, Miles. So are you ready to get started?
Yes!
Yes!
Okay, so first you're going to need to do a base coat. Me and Zoe are doing white and Miles is doing black. So you're going to have to at least put it about to here, around your canvas. Not all the way to the edge. So you're going to fill it in to the center after you get it all around the edges. So once you have your paint on your canvas, take your paintbrush and lightly spread it around the canvas. So now we have the paint all spread around our canvas, and it's not very even. So we have these scrap pieces of wood. You can use a ruler or something flat. So you're going to lightly spread it around the canvas until it's smooth. So now that we're done covering it and making it smooth, now you're going to turn the canvas the way you want it, and then pick out your colors in whichever order you want. And then you're going to pop your paint and do a nice even strip of the paint. Then you're going to take one of your strings of yarn and then you're going to lay it on the top very easily, and then do a small little, another layer of that on top of the string. Now you're going to do that with the rest of your colors. So once you're all done with that and your string is all soaked, you're going to take the blunt end of your brush and slowly pull it down to the bottom of the brush. So that was string pulling art. Did you guys have fun?
Yes!
Yeah!
So, do you guys have any suggestions of how we could make this better?
We could have spaced our strings farther apart.
We could have used a heavier string or chain so it would pull it more harder.
And I think these all look very good. What do you guys think?
I think they look good too.
So that was string pulling art. I hope you guys enjoyed this week's video.
If you liked it, give it a big thumbs up.
And subscribe to Stella's Arts and Crafts.
Bye!